Dear students, in one of my previous lectures, some students commented that I should explain the addition subtraction method once again for solving simultaneous equations. So I am making this short video just to explain few questions on simultaneous equations. So addition subtraction method I have already explained, but just see one more example of addition subtraction method I am going to tell you to solve simultaneous equations. Now see, in the first equation the coefficient of x is 7, and in the second equation the coefficient of y is also 7. Similarly, in the first equation, the coefficient of y is 15, and in the second equation, the coefficient of x is also 15. I told you addition subtraction method can only be applied when the coefficient of x in the first equation and the coefficient of y in the second equation are the same in the quantity as well as the sign also. Someone asked if there is a minus sign, can we apply addition subtraction method? The answer is no, because addition subtraction method can only be applied when the coefficient of x in the first equation is equal to coefficient in the y equation in the second equation, and the coefficient of y in the first equation is equal to coefficient of x in the second equation, both in magnitude and sign. They must have same sign also. Clear? So now we are going to solve these two equations using addition subtraction method. For that, first you add the two equations. Add equation 1 and 2. So when you add 15x plus 7x will be 22x, and 15y plus 7y will be 22y, is equal to minus 59 and minus 51 will give you minus 110. You see, these two terms are divisible by 22 and that is also divisible by 22, because 22 into 5 is 110. So divide the whole equation by 22. Then you will have x plus y is equal to minus 5. This is your equation number 3. Now what we do? Now you subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Now you see 7x minus 15x will give you minus 8x, and 15y minus 7y will give you plus 8y, and is equal to minus 59 and plus 51, because when you are subtracting you will change the sign. So minus 59 plus 51 will give you minus 8. So when you are subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, you will get minus 8x plus 8y is equal to minus 8. You divide the whole equation by 8, then you will have minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 4. Now you can see equation 3 and equation 4. There are two very simple equations and they can easily be solved using elimination method. So x plus y is equal to minus 5, and minus x plus y is equal to minus 1, plus x minus x cancels out, 2y is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to minus 3. And now you put y is equal to minus 3 here. Then put the value of y in equation 3. So when you put the value of y in equation 3, then you will have x minus 3 is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 plus 3, so x is equal to minus 2. So your final answer, x is minus 2 and y is minus 3. X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 3. And that is your answer. And that is the addition subtraction method. I repeat, addition subtraction method can only be applied when the coefficient of x in the first equation is equal to the coefficient of y in the second equation, both in magnitude as well as sign. Similarly, coefficient of y in the first equation should be equal to coefficient of x in the second equation, both in magnitude as well as the sign. So this finishes the question. One more example we'll do. One more example, one more question is like this. 14x minus 3y is equal to 39, that is equation number 1, and 6x plus 17y is equal to 35, that is equation number 2. And now we have to solve these two equations by substitution method. We will solve these two equations by substitution method. So from equation 1, 14x is equal to 39 plus 3y. If you shift 3y to that side, 14x is equal to 39 plus 3y. So x is equal to 39 plus 3y upon 14. Now we will put this value of x in equation number 2. Put the value of x. Put the value of x in equation 2. Put the value of x in equation 2. 6 into 39 plus 3y upon 14 plus 17y is equal to 35. Okay. Now you cancel it by 2. Take 7 LCM. And 119y is equal to 35, like this. Okay, take 7 LCM, then it is 3 into 39 plus 3y plus 7 into 17 will be 119, y is equal to 35. Now you open the bracket, 117 plus 9y plus 119y is equal to, cross multiply, so it is 245. Now see, 119 plus 9 is 128. 128y is equal to 245 minus 117. 128y is equal to 245 minus 117. When you subtract, it is 128 only. So y is equal to 128 upon 128. That is 1. That you can see by substitution method we have got y is equal to 1. Now if you put that value of y here, x is equal to 39 plus 3 into 1 upon 14. So 39 plus 3 upon 14. 39 plus 3 is 42. 42 upon 14 will be 3. So you can see x is 3 and y is 1. We have got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1, and that is your answer. Clear? That is the answer. Okay. Now we will do one more example. One upon 2 into x plus z minus 5 is equal to y minus z is equal to 2x minus 11 is equal to 9 minus x plus 2z. Okay, this is the question. You can see in this equation there are 4 parts and each part is equal to each other. This question I have given you in the assignment. I am going to tell you here. As there are 4 parts and they are mutually equal, So first of all, I'll take the first and the second part. So 1 upon 2 into x plus z minus 5 is equal to y minus z. You cross multiply this 2. So x plus z minus 5 is equal to 2y minus 2z. So x minus 2y plus 2z plus z, that is plus 3z, is equal to 5, and this becomes equation number 1. So we have found equation number 1. Now you equate the first and the second and the third. So y minus z is equal to 2x minus 11. So bring 2x to this side. Minus 2x plus y minus z is equal to minus 11. This is equation number 2. So we have got two equations, and now we'll equate the third part and the fourth part. So 2x minus 11 is equal to 9, open that bracket, minus x minus 2z. So 2x plus x is 3x plus 2z, and 9 plus 11 will be 20. So this is equation number 3. Now you can see we have got three equations, equation 1, 2 and 3. And in the first equation we have x, y and z, in the second also we have x, y and z, but in the third we have only x and z. So from the first and second we will try to eliminate y, so that we get another equation in x and z only. For that, you can see in first equation the coefficient of y is 2. In the second equation the coefficient of y is 1. So you multiply equation 2 by 2. Multiply equation 2 by 2. When you multiply equation 2 by 2, it will be minus 4x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to minus 22. Minus 4x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to minus 22. Below it you write down the first equation, that is x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 5. Now you see it is plus 2y minus 2y, no need to change the sign, simply add, and you can see plus 2y minus 2y cancels out. Minus 4x plus x will be minus 3x, and minus 2z plus 3z will be plus z, is equal to minus 22 plus 5 is minus 17. So if this is your equation number 4. Now you see equation number 3 and equation number 4, both are in x and z only, and the coefficient of x is same also in both the equations. So simply add them. Add 3 and 4. Add 3 and 4. So 3x plus 2z is equal to 20, minus 3x plus z is equal to minus 17. This is cancelled. 3z is equal to 3. So we got z is equal to 1. So we have found z is equal to 1. You put z is equal to 1 in the third equation. So from equation 3, from equation 3, 3x plus 2 into 1 is equal to 20, 3x plus 2 is equal to 20, 3x is equal to 18, x is equal to 18 by 3, that is 6. So you can see we have found x is equal to 6. So z is 1 and x is 6. Now you put both the values say in equation number 2. So from equation 2, minus 2 into 6 plus y minus 1 is equal to minus 11. So minus 12 plus y minus 1 is equal to minus 11. Now you see minus 12 minus 1 will be minus 13. When you shift it to that side, it will become plus 13. So y is equal to 13 minus 11, that is y is equal to 2. So we are getting y is equal to 2. So the final answer is x is equal to 6, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 1. That is our answer. X is equal to 6, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 1. So I hope with these examples now the doubts you have in simultaneous equations is clear, and you will be able to do the remaining questions of your assignments. Thank you.